This again is a different type of high-sided hopper. Sides are a lot higher. If you lay down, you can't really be seen much. Again, different than the other hopper. So we're going to go through yard, get right in through a yard, and you're heading out of the yard. You want to put yourself here like this, and you want to ride through. That way, anything coming this way won't see you over here. And it's really important to notice stuff. And I would try not to kind of like put your head up or a camera up to go, oh look. You don't want to do that, because if they see that, they'll stop the train and they'll throw you out. So this is another example of a high-sided hopper. It's very similar to the full-sided hopper. As you can see, it's kind of like a way to tell your hoppers is by looking at them, the color. And these are two different kinds, but don't be tricked. Sometimes they come like this and they have no balcony. So you've got to always practice caution about the balcony. Always remember, is there a balcony? So when you climb on, you want to look first before you throw your gear. So again, it's back to knowing what your rolling stock is, what the junk is, because a lot of us don't ride hot shots. And Metro Man here, looking eventually to catch up. My back is doing way better. My progress with the FTRA coming along real sharp. FTRC is in the works right now. It'll be owned by all members. So here you go, man. Gotta learn your shit. You gotta learn your yards. You gotta learn what ride is what ride and what is going where. Man, I wish you all well. I wish you all luck. Forward me your videos.